The garage is often the heart of a home's practical side, a space where creativity meets craftsmanship. The world of garage innovations is flourishing, offering a myriad of inventions that promise to transform your garage into a haven of efficiency and organization. From high-tech tools and ingenious storage solutions to smart gadgets and time-saving devices, the realm of garage inventions is as diverse as it is essential. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. LED light tunnel. Enter a specialized solution tailored to the needs of auto mechanics and workshops, particularly in the domain of detailing. This form of lighting is finely tuned for detailing tasks, encompassing comprehensive car maintenance such as degreasing, polishing, applying protective coatings, and thorough interior and engine cleaning. The specificity of the task demands meticulous considerations, spanning angles, color temperature, brightness, and various parameters. Notably, a thoughtfully chosen color rendering index aids in envisioning how the car will appear in natural sunlight without necessitating removal from the workplace. While the investment can be substantial, even more straightforward options from Chinese manufacturers may carry a price tag of around $2,000, reflecting the advanced technology and functionality these solutions bring to the automotive industry. ICS Dry Ice Cleaning Systems. Dry ice boasts numerous applications, even doubling as a mosquito repellent. However, in the context of automotive products, attention shifts to an innovative cleaning system employing dry ice. Unlike its predecessors confined to sizable shops with steep price tags surpassing $15,000, this iteration shatters conventions. Priced at $7,000, it presents an accessible alternative. Weighing in at a mere 19 kilograms and designed for compactness, it effortlessly navigates tight spaces and tackles intricate cleaning challenges. With adaptable operating pressures ranging from 2 to 8 bar, the system guarantees safe and effective cleaning for both plastic and metal surfaces. Notably, the manufacturer underscores the cost-effectiveness of this cleaning method compared to its counterparts. Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack. This robust 3-ton version is a pinnacle of efficiency. Elevating the vehicle by approximately 60 centimeters ensures a secure lifting experience. The inclusion of a 114-centimeter handle enhances user comfort and control. Homemade car ramp. Highlighted by a rapid pump system employing 2 pumps for heightened efficiency, the jack stands as a testament to swift work. Its stability is assured by the incorporation of extra-wide steel rollers, ensuring safety during usage. Complementing its capabilities, custom ramps provide an ideal pairing for the jack. These ramps effortlessly facilitate car lifting of up to 23 centimeters, eliminating any challenges in the process. Guardsman Garage Barrier. Celebrities like John Travolta and Miley Cyrus have fallen victim to car thefts, underscoring the need for effective garage defense systems. Starting from $583, these systems offer security through a mini barrier, fleet with a 10-year warranty and optional alarm. When triggered, the alarm sounds a siren and notifies the owner's smartphone. This compact yet robust solution spans up to 2.7 meters, featuring 33mm thick steel capable of supporting the weight of 3 individuals. Garage Smart Drop Tools. In a strategic move, innovative smart home manufacturers have expanded their offerings to encompass garage accessories. With the global car count set to reach 2 billion shortly, it's a natural progression. Who wouldn't aspire to own the most intelligent garage on the block? The lineup includes a parking assistant tailored for 1 or 2 cars, a gate sensor for remote gate status checks, an efficient pump with an extensive 8-meter hose capable of managing up to 8.5 atmospheres of pressure, a versatile extension cord boasting 3 outlets and an 8-meter reach, and a cutting-edge lighting and sound system seamlessly connectable to smartphones and other smart garage components. Although the complete ensemble is priced around $600, the devices harmoniously integrate into a single app, ensuring effortless management while installation remains straightforward. With these meticulously designed accessories, the potential of one's garage is maximized. Australian Turntables. Australia's impact on the global stage extends beyond music, as showcased by these ingenious platforms. Designed for rotating concert halls and efficient car parking solutions, they exemplify innovation. With a track record of collaborations spanning Singapore and Canada, the team brings a tailored approach to each project. A remarkable advantage lies in the cost-saving potential, notably highlighted by a parking space in Sydney selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars in 2015. Creepex The Beast. Introducing a game-changing Canadian-made chair tailored for auto mechanics. Crafted with precision, the chair's standout feature is its adjustable motor-powered backrest, offering comfort during complex tasks. Dubbed the Beast, it's fueled by robust 18-volt batteries and equipped with tool trays. Its adaptability extends to custom versions upon request, making it a vital asset even in aircraft factories. Priced at $4,000, this chair is a worthy investment for skilled professionals seeking unmatched comfort and efficiency. AutoAuto. Presenting a truly valuable gem for tire fitters and a versatile must-have for mechanics and car owners alike. The concept is elegantly simple. Replace a multitude of tools with a customizable base and assorted attachments, catering to each specific work stage. Need an impact wrench? No problem. This tool delivers torque of up to 100 Newton meters. A pump? Absolutely, with a capacity of up to 35 liters per minute. Designed with user convenience in mind, a single button activates each option seamlessly. Supplied with a set of 4 hex heads in sizes 17, 19, 21, and 23 millimeters, the tool comprehensively addresses automotive needs. While a Kickstarter campaign met an unfortunate end, the tool's potential was evident. Its $400 price point likely contributed to the outcome. BendPak Scissor Lift. Catering to vehicles with a weight capacity of 2.7 tons, this lifting marvel elevates cars to heights of 1.2 meters in a mere 45 seconds. While priced around $3,000, alternative budget-friendly choices are available from a different manufacturer. And that concludes our journey through the realm of the 10 best inventions for your garage in 2023. Each of these inventions, with its unique blend of functionality, innovation, and practicality, is poised to transform your garage into an efficient and organized workplace. As we wrap up, Remember that while these inventions offer impressive utility, the key is to choose the ones that align with your specific needs, projects, and preferences. It's not just about acquiring the latest garage tech, it's about creating a workspace that enhances your productivity and enjoyment of hands-on projects. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.